Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this session we will discuss about constructors. Yeah, we have previously seen this one. I just create one object for this class. Main object. I just created one object for this class. That is our main class. For our main class I have created an object called obj. That is obj. Okay. So our main method I just create any one string name equal to n. I just print this name by calling our object dot name. Yeah, it works well. Here, what is constructor? Our constructor is nothing but in your created object. Here, notice it. This parenthesis. This will call your constructor defaultly. Like this is the basic constructor. Here, if you wanna pass any string or anything, just print. Here, I just put it as empty. That is why. And I just print constructor initialized. Yeah. When we create an object, our constructor will called. Yeah. If you don't put anything, you don't return anything. Mainly constructor is used to pass the arguments. Like if you want to print the name, I just print it as Sanjay. Then I get it from main method, that is string name. String name. Here I just refer it to my name, then that is name. Okay. Here we have got that name from this object. Then it pass to our main method, that is our class constructor. Constructor is a method. This constructor method is used to initialize the variable and initialize the object. Cause constructor is used to allocate memory for objects. Yeah, it's nothing boring. Okay. When we pass this variable to this one, yeah, this is the main function of constructor. Okay, let's move to here. I have create one method. I don't want anything right now. I just print a plus b. I get values from j, comma integer b. So I pass, yeah, here integer a 23, comma 1. I just pass both the things. Then I just initialize this as start A equal to A, and then this dot B equal to B. That's all. It gives an error because we have not initialized A. So I just initialize A and then B. Yeah, well, was required. I just print this one. Yes, but it doesn't print anything because we have called our method. I just call object dot our method. Yeah, it's void. It doesn't return anything. Yeah, it just printed 24. It works well.